Hello everybody, we're going to make a new video on Survival Blake's YouTube channel. We're going to wood burn a cool design on my knife handle that I've been making. And I'm sorry I haven't been posting much videos lately, but sometimes I gotta do other stuff. So, should be heating up, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, hope you like my video. I think right here, I'm going to draw like Blake right there. If you can see it, then I'm gonna draw like a buck right there, and on this other side it'll be the same. I still have to drill a little drill in there so it has like a hanging thing. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Let's start. So first I'm gonna make the little part where you can actually, where it has a grip thing. Yeah, so I'm already adding the little thumb part where it has a grip place. I'm doing pretty good so far. Yeah, you should be very careful because if it slips and touches you, it hurts. Trust me, I did it like a week or two ago. Yeah, it hurt my thumb right there. Yeah, so didn't feel that good. Well, I hope you comment and share to all your friends, and hope you like the video. It's doing pretty good. Nice little handle right there. I think I might do like a checkers way, where it's not just like one little way. I think I might have it the opposite way too. Yep, I'm done with that part. Now I have to do it on the other side, or the other way. It's already getting a nice feel to it. And stay tuned to the video where I'm gonna put this blade in it and everything. So yeah. And don't try to breathe in like the smoke or whatever it gives you. And you see how it's like a checkered place? That's a really good grip right there. So yeah, and it's cool designing. Now I'm going to be writing my name right there. Right now I'm writing my name right here. Wood burning's fun to do. Yeah, and it's looking pretty good. Got that part done. That part. Now I just gotta make the cave. First, you have to plug this in before, like, around 10 minutes before you do the stuff so it warms up and gets actually hot. It's looking pretty good. The E is a little small, but it's pretty nice. And let's draw my little buck. I don't know how I should draw. I don't know if I should draw a buck or not. I think I'm gonna draw number 12. And I hope you like my wood burning skills. I'm just a beginner, not like the best guy in the world, but I think I'm fine. Yeah, so it's pretty tricky, really. Look, I already did the one. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Gotta give me some credit. Yeah. Gotta be very careful here because you don't want it slipping and burning you. Because that does not feel good, like I said. Oh yeah, almost done. Look at the 12. A little crooked, but it's fine. And let's say B, because then I'm not sure. I think we'll only do it on one side, but there we go. Look at Blake, BB, and Clown. It's pretty nice. I like it. And it has a nice grip. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye, guys.